Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is February 2nd, 2017. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, looking at the S&P 500 Emini Futures, you'll see the futures are trading down by 6.5 points to 22.68 per contract. Futures were lower early, then they rallied up a little bit, and now they're settling in right around this 22.68 level. We'll see how this market plays out today. It was a wild one yesterday, and again, each and every day the markets sell off early and then they wind up catching a bid into the close. So we'll see how today plays out. But all in all, it's going to be a pretty good session out here. We have lots of earnings plays. We're going to start off with the first one of the day, and that's Facebook. Facebook coming out with earnings yesterday after the closing bell. The stock spiking initially all the way up to 138, but now settling in around the 134.55 level. So it's up a little bit from yesterday's close. We'll see how this one plays out today. But all in all, we'll keep it on the radar. There's no levels here when you have a new all-time high for a stock. So we're going to sit tight right now, but we'll watch for pattern once the opening bell rings. And again, if you want to come along and trade with us, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. You'll see everything that we are doing in there. Let's take a look at QRVO, QRVO. This is a semiconductor play. This stock is in the Apple phones. Had a big move after the Apple earnings, but came out with its own earnings, and you could see it plunged, but now it's recuperated a little bit. So the stock closed at 64.55 yesterday. It's trading at 60.20 today. I'm going to try to have some levels ready for QRVO this morning if we get down to them. So if we get back down to this area, the lows here, I'll have some levels for you on QRVO. Next up, we're going to take a look at Cirrus Logic. This is another Apple phone supplier. They came out with earnings, and this stock is getting hammered. Closed at $63.96 yesterday, and that made a new all-time high, and today it is reversing sharply. Stock right now is trading at 56.24. So I'm going to try to have some levels worked out this morning for this name, and I'll have that up in the intraday stock chat room once the opening bell rings. I'm thinking we're going to go test 55.50. If that level gives way, though, watch out below. This can go down quite a bit from here. All right, let's take a look at Allstate. This is an insurer. They came out with earnings as well. Stock has been all over the map. No volume behind it. So right now it's trading at 78 bucks a share. Closed at 75 and a quarter. But like I said, there's no volume behind it. So we're going to have to see how that plays out once the opening bell rings. But nonetheless, it is higher right now at this point in time. Let's take a look at Symantec. SYMC is the ticker symbol here. Stock right now is trading at 27 bucks, closed at 27 and a quarter. Nothing to do there. Keep Symantec though on the radar. If it gets down to around 24.40, I do like the stock at that level. Let's take a look at Shutterfly. Now this is a lighter volume name, but this stock is getting hammered. It closed at $51.77 last night. It is trading at $43 right now. So Shutterfly getting hit really, really sharply. I am seeing some support around the 42.50 level, 42.60 area. Then after that, you're going to have to look all the way down at 40 bucks, the even number. And then after that, it's all the way down to 37.90. So again, some levels there for Shutterfly. But remember, this is a light volume stock. And what I mean by that is if you take a look at the daily chart, look here, it rarely trades a million shares a day. Trades between 2 and 400,000. Stocks like that can overshoot levels. They're much, much harder to do. They come with higher risk, so you want to be a little bit careful there. Next one we're going to take a look at this morning is going to be Mellanox, MLNX. And what you're going to see here is that this stock is getting hit a bit as well. It closed at $46.80, and right now it is trading at $40.50. So real good little sell-off there. I do think there is probably some support around this $39 area, maybe even 40 bucks. Somewhere in between there is a fair amount of support. If that gives way, you're going to have to look all the way down to $36 for the next support level. So Mellanox, another lighter volume name. Sometimes the stock, usually the stock trades between 200 and 500,000 a day. Recently, it's been trading over $1 million, but that's a rarity. So again, this comes with much higher risk as well. Let's take a look at MTW, which is Manitowoc. And what you're going to see here is stock right now is trading at $6.40, closed at $6.86. So this is a haircut Only level I see for this stock is going to be around $5.60, $5.60. So again, be careful there. Costco, I saw was up this morning. Stock still up this morning. I don't exactly know what the news was on Costco, but either way, the stock is having a nice reaction. So Costco moving up this morning, trading around the 167 level. So I'm not really sure if it was on earnings or what it was about there, but that is a pretty good little pop for Costco this morning. I'm going to give the stock the upside bias to around 169.5 to 170. Costco showing good relative strength this morning. Let's take a look at Ralph Lauren. Looks like the CEO is stepping down. Stock right now sold off sharply, came back up. Right now trading at 81.07. It closed at 87.37. So this is a pretty good sell-off for Ralph Lauren. The only level that interests me for Ralph Lauren today is going to be around $71.40. So until then, I'm not looking to do much with this name at this point in time. Macy's is catching a bid today on the back of some news that the company is going to sell its stores. I think it's just a rumor coming out from the New York Post. I wouldn't believe it. But either way, stock's up a little bit from its close. So we'll see how that plays out, and we'll see where it goes. All right, let's take a look at the gold market. Gold is roaring and soaring today, up about $17 at the moment. Spot gold right now is trading at $1,225 an ounce. If you take a look here at the GLD, that's trading around the 116.50. So gold holding up very well today. This comes on the back of a slightly weaker dollar, but I think it's just more fear out there than anything, and gold is catching a good bid. Let's take a look here at crude oil, up 14 cents to $54.02 a barrel. Take a look at the USO, which is a good oil ETF. You'll see that's trading at $11.57 today. So again, not much of a move there, but gold is soaring, and gold miners are soaring with it. So keep gold miners on the radar here as well. Gold having a big pop ahead of the opening bell. All right, we're going to leave it here short and sweet. I want to wish you all a great trading session. Once again, if you want to trade alongside of us, come on over. Take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. You'll see everything that we're going to do in there. I have some gap levels for you this morning. They'll be posted right up at 9 a.m. With that being said, everybody have a great trading day, and we will see you on the charts.